So in order to be added to the Lassonde Boost Calculus and Vectors course, we need to add the class in our profile. And the way to do this is to add it using the course code. So the course code is capital H, 9D, 8, capital T, capital V. So we can join the class by using the course code. So we have successfully joined the class, and corresponding to this class is also a coach, the Lassonde coach. And this is an individual that will be helping you throughout your progress through Lassonde Boost Calculus and Vectors course. So we're going to be with you every step of the way, providing guidance. You can ask us questions, and you can also discuss with your peers as well using the School Keep course. Okay, so now that we have added the class, let's go back to home to start exploring. Okay, so now you can see there's a notification, and our Lassonde coach has recommended the mission differential calculus for us. So we're going to start this mission. So within Khan Academy, as we saw before on the home page, there are a variety of different courses available, and so through Lassonde Boost Calculus and Vectors course, we are going to go through the differential calculus course in Khan Academy. So let's start this mission. So as soon as you start this mission, you're going to be recommended to engage in the mission warm-up. We recommend that you do this. This is a challenge, but what it is meant to do is to prepare you for the course ahead. So it provides you with the prerequisite material that you're going to need to know very well and perhaps maybe brush up on, in particular, knowledge of functions. So let's get started to see how the practice problems and the interface is going to look. So looking at this screen, this is how all of the practice problems will appear. So the problem will be laid out here, and you'll be inputting values or going through multiple choice questions, various things like that. If you do need some help, if you're stuck, they recommend videos that can help you through solving this problem. If that's not quite what you need, you just need a short hint. You can request a hint and answer the problem. We recommend not skipping over this right away because you can always learn some information, then try and solve the problem yourself. So let's have a look. So the Pythagorean theorem is typically written as a squared plus b squared equal to c squared, where a and b are the two shorter sides, the legs of a right triangle, and c is its longest side, the hypotenuse. Rearrange the formula to solve for a. Okay, so we know that we're going to need to use a square root sign, and we're going to get c squared minus b squared. So we can use these tools to input our value, and as soon as we're happy with our answer, we're going to check our answer. And if we are right, we are correct, and then we can click on this button to go to the next question. And you will notice there are points that are jumping up, and Khan Academy gives you points for every correct answer that you get. So here is another question involving functions. So g is a trigonometric function of the form g of x equal to a cos bx plus c plus d. Below is the graph of g of x. The function has a maximum point at 3.5, negative 4, and a minimum point at negative 1, negative 5. Find a formula for g of x, give an exact expression. So within this problem, there are often graphs that you can follow and then give an exact expression for this problem. If you have any difficulty remembering how to do this problem, you can watch a video, or we can click on I'd like a hint, and it goes through a process of hints to help you to solve the problem. Notice there are 3 hints left, so you can continue to add hints until you're able to input a value here. So we recommend you try as many problems as they recommend, so at least try the 5 that they're asking you to do to warm up, to get you prepared for the Lassonde Boost Calculus and Vectors course. So we're going to close this, and we'll notice our points being calculated here. So now that you have registered for Khan Academy, we've taken a little tour. Let's now come back to our Calculus and Vectors course and tour through this as well.